So after unboxing our lift, we want to make sure we have all of our components. We have the base, the mast, the charger, the push handle, the cradle, and then in the smaller box that comes with the lift, we have the charger power source, the hand control, the battery and control box, and 2 hardware packs. Before attaching the mast to the base, you want to make sure that you lock the rear casters to prevent any accidental movement. So next we want to connect the power from the base to the mast by connecting the 2 plugs and securing them with the clasps. Once the wires are connected, you want to lift the mast and insert it into the base, being careful not to pinch your fingers or the wires. After inserting the mast into the base, you want to secure it with the 4 6mm hex head bolts. By hand tightening all the way, secure the mast. After installing the mast into the base, you want to locate your 4 5mm hex head bolts that you will use to attach the push handle to the mast. Once you line up the 4 holes, using your 5mm Allen wrench, you will attach the bolts to the mast. Then the 2 on the other side. Make sure it's secure. Okay, now to assemble the control box to the mast. We're going to remove the battery from the control box by lifting up on this lever here. You want to remove the paper that's blocking the terminals. Next, we're going to remove the 2 screws that are in the mounting bracket using a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, we'll slide the control box onto the mounting bracket using the grooves that are channeled in the back of the control box. Next, we'll secure the control box to the mast using the 2 Phillips head screws we removed prior. Now you're ready to insert the battery pack into the control box. Put the bottom in first and just push the top in while squeezing the clamp. Twist the emergency stop button. It should give you power. Alright, now you can connect the power base as well as the actuator. To the control box. And the third port is for the hand control. Next, we're going to attach the cradle using the cradle attachment bolt. You want to slide the attaching bolt up through the cradle. You're going to align the hole in the boom. And then using the 8mm attaching bolt, I'm going to thread this through, securing it with the nut on the opposite side. And your lift is fully assembled. To set up your charger, you want to attach the power cord to the charger. You're going to attach the power to the wall. You should get a green indicator light showing that you have power going to the charger. Next, you want to remove the battery from the lift by lifting up on the latch. You're going to slide this into the charger. The light on the charger should turn orange, indicating that it is charging. Once the battery is done charging, it'll turn green, to which you can remove the battery from the charger, reattach it to the lift, so you can use the lift once again.